Genesis, chapter 3, verse 8 to 13. Then the man and his wife heard the sound of the Lord God as he was walking in the garden in the cool of the day, and they hid from the Lord God among the trees of the garden. 9. But the Lord God called to the man, Where are you? 10. He answered, I heard you in the garden, and I was afraid because I was naked, so I hid. 11. And he said, Who told you that you were naked? Have you eaten from the tree that I commanded you not to eat from? 12. The man said, The woman you put here with me, she gave me some fruit from the tree, and I ate it. 13. Then the Lord God said to the woman, What is this you have done? The woman said, The serpent deceived me, and I ate. Pagkatapos magkasala nina Adan at Eva, nakaramdam sila ng takot at hiya, kaya nagtago sila sa Diyos. Tinawag sila ng Diyos, hindi dahil hindi niya alam kung nasaan sila, kundi para bigyan sila ng pagkakataong umamin. Nang tanungin sila, si Adan ay isinisi kay Eva, at si Eva naman ay isinisi sa ahas. Ipinapakita nito na ang kasalanan ay nagdudulot ng takot, pagtatago at pagsisihan ng iba kaysa pag-amin. Follow for more daily Bible verses